Welcome to the Creative Wooden Art Decor Collection. In a world filled with mass-produced items, this collection stands out by celebrating the unique beauty and versatility of wood. Our purpose is to inspire creativity while promoting sustainability and craftsmanship. By showcasing innovative designs and techniques, we aim to encourage individuals to explore their artistic potential and bring a personal touch to their spaces. Each piece in this collection tells a story, reflecting the artistry and passion behind woodworking. Whether you're an experienced artisan or a curious beginner, there's something here for everyone to discover and enjoy. The purpose of a creative wooden art decor collection is to celebrate the beauty and versatility of wood as a medium for artistic expression. This collection aims to inspire creativity, encourage individuals to explore their artistic potential by showcasing unique designs and ideas that can be replicated or adapted, promote sustainability, highlight the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood, promoting environmentally friendly practices in art and decor, enhance spaces, provide aesthetically pleasing decor options that add warmth, character, and a touch of nature to homes and offices, preserve craftsmanship, honor traditional woodworking techniques and craftsmanship, ensuring that these skills are appreciated and passed down through generations, foster personal connection, enable individuals to create personalized art pieces that reflect their style, values, and stories, making their living spaces feel more like home, encourage community engagement, build a community of artists and enthusiasts who share their creations, techniques, and inspirations, fostering collaboration and support. Through this collection, we aim to inspire a love for wooden art and its ability to transform spaces while promoting creativity and sustainability. The purpose of a creative wooden art decor collection extends beyond mere aesthetics, encompassing several key goals: inspire creativity, ignite the imagination of artists, hobbyists, and home decorators by presenting innovative designs and techniques that encourage exploration and experimentation with wood as a medium, promote sustainability, advocate for the use of reclaimed or responsibly sourced wood, raising awareness about environmental conservation. This approach not only reduces waste but also highlights the beauty of materials that might otherwise be discarded, enhance interior spaces, provide diverse decor options that enrich homes and workplaces, adding warmth, texture, and a natural element that fosters a sense of comfort and well-being, celebrate craftsmanship, showcase the artistry and skill involved in woodworking, honoring traditional techniques and modern innovations. This appreciation for craftsmanship helps preserve these vital skills for future generations, foster personal connection, encourage individuals to create or choose pieces that resonate with their personal stories, values, and aesthetics. This personal touch transforms mere decor into meaningful art that reflects one's identity, encourage community engagement, build a supportive community of artists, crafters, and enthusiasts. By sharing projects, techniques, and inspiration, individuals can collaborate, learn from one another, and grow together in their artistic journeys, educate and inform, provide resources, tutorials, and tips on woodworking techniques, maintenance, and design principles. This educational aspect empowers individuals to embark on their own creative projects with confidence, promote mindfulness and well-being, highlight the therapeutic benefits of creating art, which can reduce stress and promote mindfulness. Engaging in the creative process allows individuals to connect with themselves and their environment in a meaningful way. Support local artisans, encourage the purchase of handcrafted items, supporting local artisans and small businesses. This not only boosts the local economy but also promotes unique, one-of-a-kind pieces that tell a story, create lasting legacy, inspire individuals to create heirloom-quality pieces that can be passed down through generations, fostering a connection to family history and tradition. By focusing on these purposes, the Creative Wooden Art Decor Collection aims to enrich lives, promote sustainability, and celebrate the beauty of craftsmanship in a way that resonates with diverse audiences. Thank you for exploring the purpose of the Creative Wooden Art Decor Collection with us. We hope you feel inspired to embrace your creativity and consider the transformative power of wooden art in your own spaces. Remember, every piece you create or choose is not just decor, it's a reflection of your personality and values. By opting for sustainable materials and supporting craftsmanship, you contribute to a more mindful approach to art and design. We invite you to share your own wooden art projects and experiences with us. Join our community, and together, let's celebrate the beauty of creativity and the artistry of wood. Happy creating! Tips for creative wooden art decor lovers: explore different wood types, experiment with various types of wood, each has unique textures, colors, and grain patterns that can enhance your projects. Embrace upcycling, look for reclaimed wood or old furniture that can be transformed into beautiful art pieces. Upcycling not only saves resources but also adds character to your creations. Personalize your pieces, incorporate personal touches, such as engravings or custom colors, to make your wooden decor unique and meaningful. Use natural finishes, opt for eco-friendly stains and finishes to enhance the wood's natural beauty while keeping your project sustainable. Experiment with techniques. Try mixed media by combining wood with other materials like metal, fabric, or glass for added visual interest. Attend workshops, join local woodworking or art workshops to learn new techniques and meet fellow enthusiasts. Community learning can spark new ideas and inspiration. Create a mood board, gather images, colors, and textures that inspire you. A mood board can help clarify your vision for upcoming projects. Incorporate nature, use natural elements like branches, stones, or dried flowers in your designs to create a harmonious connection with the outdoors. Stay organized, keep your workspace tidy and organized. Proper tools and materials management can make your creative process smoother and more enjoyable. Share your work, don't hesitate to showcase your creations on social media or in local art fairs. Sharing your work can inspire others and foster a sense of community. By following these tips, you can enhance your wooden art projects and deepen your appreciation for this beautiful craft. Happy creating! More tips. Research techniques. Explore various woodworking techniques, such as carving, pyrography, wood burning, or marquetry. Each method can add a distinct flair to your projects. Combine styles, blend different artistic styles, like rustic, modern, or bohemian, to create unique pieces that reflect your personal aesthetic. Practice patience. Woodworking can require precision and time. Don't rush the process. Take your time to ensure quality in your craftsmanship. Invest in quality tools. While you don't need the most expensive tools, having the right basic tools will significantly improve your efficiency and the quality of your work. Stay inspired. Follow woodworking blogs, social media accounts, or YouTube channels dedicated to wooden art for ongoing inspiration and new techniques. Collaborate with others. Team up with other artists or craftsmen to combine skills and ideas, potentially leading to innovative projects. Document your process. Keep a journal or blog about your projects. Documenting your creative journey can help you track progress and inspire others. Create seasonal decor. Design pieces that can be adapted for different seasons or holidays, allowing for continual refreshment of your decor. Join online communities. Participate in online forums or groups focused on woodworking and art decor. Engaging with others can provide valuable feedback and new ideas. Showcase your work. Consider creating a dedicated space in your home or studio to display your creations. This not only showcases your talent but can also inspire you for future projects. Experiment with color. Don't shy away from adding color to your wooden pieces. Paint, stains, or even fabric can transform a simple piece into a statement item. Understand wood characteristics. Familiarize yourself with the properties of different woods, e.g. hardness, grain, moisture content, to choose the best one for your projects. Incorporate lighting. Use lighting strategically to highlight your wooden art pieces.